Hello, this is Claude, and today I'm making a video about a fairly new product, the Roccat Kain 200 Aimo. This mouse is not yet available in North America, so I got it this week from Germany. Got it shipped. I'm in Canada. Got it shipped in Canada. So I've been looking for this mouse and waiting for this mouse for some time, and my hopes are pretty high that it might replace my old reliable. The best mouse that I have right now is my Logitech Pro Wireless. Favorite mouse that I got right now. So hopefully this is going to be, I'm going to be able to replace my Logitech with this brand new mouse. I've been using Roccat products for many years. I've reviewed many of these products over the years, so looking forward to it. Also, just for some of my subscribers, I haven't been doing reviews or unboxing of products for some time because there was just nothing really that was exciting me in new products. And I've got to say, I even went a couple of weeks ago to Japan on the hunt for new products, and I went to in Tokyo in Akihabara. I went all to the big cameras and all the electronic stores everywhere. And I went to Osaka to, I think it's called Ed.io, something like that, Edion, or whatever it's called. Like, 15 floors of pure electronics, other than some Torpy keyboards. There isn't much that I hadn't seen before. So yeah, so this product is one of the few lately that I was waiting for. There was the Kain wired version. I think it's the 100 Aimo. It didn't tickle my fancy, so this is was waiting for this one, the 200 Aimo, and see what it looks like. So I'm going to start with an unboxing, and then after that I'm going to go with my first comments and see what my thoughts are on this one. So Roccat, I'm going to just mention the box. Roccat has been acquired by Turtle Beach a couple of months ago, and that's my first product I get from Turtle Beach. And what I'm going to show you first, before doing that, I'm going to talk about one thing that I like. I didn't think that I was going to buy more products from Roccat after the Turtle Beach acquisition, but I have seen, I'm going to show on my monitor, the Swarm software that came with it used to be very slow under the Roccat tenure. And after the acquisition with Turtle Beach, one thing that I've seen, and I have to update my Swarm software, I'm going to do it right now so you can see that. I've got my Roccat Vulcan Aimo keyboard connected to the computer right here, so that's going to be updating. And I also have a Kony EMP mouse that I'm going to be also be updating with that. So we're going to do that and see how fast that is. In the past it was very slow, so let's do that. And one of the things that you will see, it downloads very fast. That would take forever, and I'm going to be installing it, and it's going to install just fast. So this is, in my book right now, without even opening this box, a clear positive since the acquisition of Turtle Beach. So their software, the improvement, the speed is much better. So that's a plus already. So without even opening the box, I already have a plus for this one. Let's talk about the specifications of the mouse. Specification of this Roccat Kain 200 Aimo, 1.8 meter detachable micro USB cable plus USB adapter. You know what? Micro USB. Honestly, is that the best you can do? You can put the USB-C thing in there as of today. Nano wireless dongle, 2.4 gigahertz. Better be fast, but we'll see. Quick installation guide, we'll see that. Windows, all that good stuff. USB 2 or higher internet connection. This is the tech specs. The Roccat Owl Eye 16K sensor. Okay, we'll see. That's probably the same PixArt, the 3366. I think that's on the EMP or the 3380, whatever it's called. They all have the same variants of that. 100 milliamp hour battery. One thing I'm going to say, my Logitech, I travel with my Logitech quite a bit, and even that I'm a road warrior. I travel almost every week. I just come back from beautiful Lima, Peru. Just landed this morning, so I bring this hard case for that, so I protect it because I really like this mouse. So this mouse, the battery will last me about 48 hours. It says 48 hours, but I have it for weeks at a time, and and work the full work week, and hey, it works just fine. It lasts. So hopefully the battery is gonna last as long. And so this is it. 100 milliamp battery, 1000 hertz polling rate. Everybody and his brothers got that. I don't know why some people want to have lower, but I mean, that's as good as it gets. Distance control unit, yeah, how far you are. Footage acceleration arm control. 512 kilobytes on board memory. Okay, that's good. Run switches. Lightweight at 105. Lightweight at 105 grams. All right, the Logitech Pro Wireless, 80 grams. So I don't mind a little weight actually. So anyway, so that's the Kain here. Different shape also than it's not a Kony with the typical shape, the pear shape of the Kony mouse. So let's see if I'm gonna like that. So that's the box that with the specs on one side, this over there. The back, precise, limitless, fluid. Yeah, okay, yeah, we'll see about that. The Aimo thing, which means that the lighting scheme like of the peripheral is working through the software with all other Roccat products. And so I've got the keyboard here. I've got the new mouse over there, and I'm gonna just show something. Might as well, if I'm gonna go to Europe to buy stuff, might as well get some more stuff. So I got as well this mouse pad, the Roccat Sense. So I've got some razors, I've got some Corsair and all of that. They all do the same job. So I saw that. Let's see if it's gonna all work together. So I might show that at the end. So still need to unbox that baby and see what it looks like. So let's go through that box. Made to win. Made to win. Oh, right here. You know what? Even regardless of the mouse I use, I still don't win. So don't get your hopes too high. Not gonna change much. Box is gone. All right. Let's see what we got in here. Quick installation guide. All right. That's all right. We all need that. We're all gonna go read through that. I'm just gonna see if there's gonna be a little decal in there. These guys are getting so cheap. Roccat used to put decals in everything. Let's see if we got decals in there. Little thing here on the side. Absolutely no decals. All right, so they're cheap. All right, not gonna bother with that. Let's see what we got over here. Just a little black cardboard. Manufacturing cost good. This is a little USB guide. All right, so that's good. Okay, so that's looks a little bit like Logitech provides something very similar to that. All right, so okay. Okay, you got the little dongle. It's very basic. All right, little dongle over here. Let's say with the Roccat. So I always like the dongle. That's it, because when you got your USB hub, you got all your stuff in there, so you know what that is. So you got this like little protector on the side. The cable, just by having it out of the box, you can see that the cable like has that shape. That's stupid. I don't like that. It gives me already an indication maybe the cable is like, well, that's weird. So that's the cable, and then let's look at the mouse. Is there a rubber coating on this mouse? So this is what a lot of people want to know from the get-go. Yeah, there is some kind of, it's not that plasticky. And then you've got the little Roccat. I don't know if you can see that, the little Roccat name over here. So it's very subtle. I like that actually. You got the metallic brushed aluminum look on this thing, the DPI button, the scroll wheel, and I'm going to bring the microphone actually in the shot. Hopefully I'll be able to do that. There you go. So yeah, so let's see some of the noises there. Let's tap on this mouse to see the feeling of the plastic. Not too clunky actually. Look, this is the, okay, it's not too bad at all. Sounds sturdy. The clicks of the button, left click, right click. All right, scroll wheel, click. Okay, that's not a 4D wheel, so there's no left and right clicks. All right, DPI, nice. Left button here, or forward, backward. Okay, that's good. These are what the sound is sounding like. So yeah, let's look at the bottom of the mouse. So you've got these little things. It's bluish. I don't know if there's a tape that we need to pull off of there. I assume it is. Yeah, it is, because it's not very slippery. So you can see little tabs over here. So yeah, let's see what that says. The part number, and then design in Germany. It says here, assembled in China. Yeah, made to win. Yeah, that's stupid. Okay, Turtle Beach Inc. Yeah, it says here somewhere, Turtle Beach Inc. Okay, so that's good. They're assuming it in New York, United States. All right, and the FCC and all that good stuff. Anything? No, I don't see anything else. There's a little switch here that it says on and off. Here there's a button that says there's an on and off switch here. Yeah. Here it says pairing. All right. And then the feet, you can see the feet are pretty nice. The feet are pretty nice. The gliders are nice and thick. So that's good. All right. So you got the and then the USB thing here. So let's see the cable here a little bit. And the right side, there's nothing here. All right. So let's see the cable a little bit. What we got here, we got the little protector here on the top of the thing, and you got the cable. I like Roccat because they put their logo on the cable, all right, and then Kain, and then I like that a lot because on the USB hub, my USB hubs get real busy, so I see what that is, and or else I take a metallic Sharpie silver and then I write what it is. So I like that. So yeah, let's connect that baby, see what it looks like, and then the cable. Well, the cable is 1.8 meters. You've got the USB C thing here. You got the little guides on the side, and you know, most even the keyboards now with the removable thing cables have little indentations, so it releases the stress on the hardware. So let's connect that here, put it in the guide. It goes sliding like this, sliding that, connecting this. It's nice, it's flush, it's nice. The little plasticky thing is gonna have to be removed for sure. And then let's connect that baby here, see what it does. So you got the colors already going on, so that's good. The new software, right? So the software, the mouse is already being recognized. It says on the software, I'm going to stretch over there and move to the monitor. So it says the Kain Aimo. I'm going to click on this. All right. Please download the Kain 200 Aimo module via the auto updater. All right. Check for this automatically. Yeah, download. It's downloading right now. All right. Install that thing there. Installing right now. And updating the Kain 200 Aimo, that's good. Updating the swarm. The Aimo is also being updated right now, so that's really fast. So that's what I said. The Turtle Beach thing is that's an improvement that they've made. All right, so hopefully the software, the swarm is going to come back up. My Aimo is going to be on. One of the things that I see right now is that usually when you updated the swarm with other mice, it would tell you to disconnect the cable and reconnect for this to be working, but it's not doing that right now, so that's pretty good. Yeah, so let's see what we've got here on the DPI switches. So let's go see what 100. All right, so right now I'm at, so you got 400, 800, 1200, 600, 3200. All right, so I can, I'm more of a, yeah, 400. I'm a 600 kind of guy. Then after that, go to 800. And then go to 1200 after that. And this is when my, I stop at 800. This is when my son steal my stuff. I do at 1200 and 1600. All right, that's good. And it saves automatically, so that's good. Window pointer, enable mouse acceleration. You don't never want to do that. This point, display pointer trails, of course not. Calibrate, yeah, that's probably going to be like the H shape of whatever it is. So yeah, let's do that. Start calibration. And what am I supposed to do here? DPI calibration. Oh, okay. There we go. Okay, that's the first time I do that. There you go, right here. There you go. Okay, what am I supposed to? Okay, result. Yeah, I accept the result. I accept the results. Pointer, all right. DPI switcher, all right. Button assignment, so you've got all the buttons assignment here, and you can control that after that. You can do your profiles and the macro manager and set your macros and all that good stuff. I'm not going to do that now, but it's there. Illumination, yeah, I'm going to let it like this. Aimo intelligent system. Brightness, all right, that's good. So that's probably set up with my keyboard. Advanced settings, that's what we've got here. Battery, wireless settings, battery size 100%. Pop-up on notification. Yeah, we could do that. Signal strength is excellent. Well, okay, because I didn't put the dongle. So let's I'm going to disconnect. What am I disconnecting here? I'm going to disconnect something here. Okay, the dongle is on. Let's remove the cable. All right, is it going to pair this thing? Pairing. All right, do I have to click on this? Click and hold? I hope that's what it is. Well, I click and release. Let's do that. I clicked and I released. And then, well, let's make sure that it's on. Wireless is on. Battery's on. It's flashing. All right, click on pairing. And then, well, I'm going to hold on it a couple of seconds. Release. Okay, so the weight. Let's see the weight. How the weight is balanced. So yeah, the weight is in the back. You see right here when I do that. If I release it, it wants to go backwards like this. So there's a lot of weight. I don't think it's well distributed. But you know, when it's on the thing there, it fits the hand very well. I'm a palmer, and my hands are fairly large. I think it's 19.5 centimeter by I don't know. I don't remember how much. So it's I'm a palmer, so it feels good. The clicks really nice. All right, scroll wheel feels really nice. So yeah, overall so far so good. I like it. Here are the feet with the pads, and it's like every mouse that I have. The grip is not, the rubber grip is not that good. So I'm gonna put some of the lizard skin on it, make it grip, and same thing as I did on my Logitech. So that's what it is. The Logitech is lighter, and it's you know what? It's got the little compartment for the USB dongle. So when I travel, I just put it in there. That's very good. But overall, I really like it. I think it's very well done. Roccat Turtle Beach. I like it. It's pretty good. All right. So that's my quick unboxing. That's my long unboxing and first comments on this Roccat Kain 200 Aimo. All right. Hope you. I'm helping some people in their buying decision, but I don't regret my purchase so far. I think it was 99 euros or something like that. So so far so good. All right. Thanks for watching this video. See you at the next one. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye. Ciao.